How to keep a strapless dress up. Strapless dresses are extremely popular, especially for formal events such as weddings or prom. While they do look beautiful, it can sometimes be a challenge to keep them in place because they don't have straps that typically keep the dress up by going over your shoulders. However, there are many methods you can try for keeping your dress in place. Method 1. Using fashion tape. 1. Choose a fashion tape. There are many types of fashion tapes available on the market. Before purchasing one, read reviews about different brands, and read the label carefully to make sure it will be suitable for the fabric of your dress. Look for tapes that are a bit wider, as they will have more surface area, meaning they will stay stuck longer. It is reported that some celebrities actually use toupee tape for their red carpet events, instead of fashion tape. 2. Tape the dress. The tape will be sticky on both sides, and will typically have a sticker you have to remove from both sides in order to keep it sticking to everything before you're ready to use it. Carefully apply the tape all the way around the top of the dress, as close the top edge as you can. Apply another layer below the first for extra protection, if you wish. Make sure you apply firm pressure to the tape before moving on to the next step. 3. Use alcohol on your skin to remove any oils. Tape cannot stick to a surface that is oily. If you have oily skin, or have just put lotion on, use a cotton pad with rubbing alcohol on it. Gently swipe the pad across the part of the skin where you wish to attach the tape. 4. Attach tape to skin. Once you are ready to go, put any undergarments you wish to wear on, and then the dress. Peel the backing of the fashion tape off, and then attach it to the skin. This will require you to apply firm, direct pressure to the area of skin you are attaching the dress to. It may be helpful to have someone help you do this part. 5. Attach extra tape as needed. At this point, you should be good to go. However, if you notice spots that feel a bit insecure, you can carefully attach more tape. 6. Remove the tape from the skin.